Embark on a transformative journey of manifestation and unleash the unlimited potential of your mind. I am here to guide you every step of the way as you discover the power of your thoughts and learn to attract everything you desire into your life. But let me share with you a crucial component to making this journey a success: repetition. By repeating this affirmation daily, ideally out loud for at least 5 minutes, you'll enhance your focus and clarity as you engage both your hearing and speaking faculties. Keep these words close by, whether it be in a journal or saved on your phone, and watch as they transform into powerful beliefs that shape your reality. Don't settle for mediocrity. Start living a life of abundance and purpose. Join me now by subscribing to the channel and access the most inspiring Neville Goddard content on the internet. My promise to you is to unlock the incredible potential of your subconscious mind. The power of your subconscious is a vast gold mine waiting to be tapped into. When you understand this and work on reprogramming it, the idea of manifesting instantly won't seem like a distant dream. Instead, manifestation will become a natural consequence of your new way of thinking. You won't have to actively strive for it all the time, as your desires will effortlessly find their way to you. This is the beauty of harnessing the power of your subconscious. I encourage you to consider this as a crucial project that will transform your life. That's my ultimate goal for all of you. Now, when it comes to the waiting period between setting a goal and manifesting it in reality, this can be a particularly challenging time if you haven't invested in reprogramming your subconscious. There may be days when you feel low, lacking energy and motivation, and filled with doubts and fears. I know this all too well, as even after years of studying manifestation and working to recondition my subconscious, I still struggle at times. The negativity of the 3D world can take its toll, affecting my manifestations and outlook on life. I understand the frustration of this, which is why I went on a quest to find a solution. I tried countless processes and techniques, but what ultimately helped me were just a few simple sentences. The solution I found was a simple yet powerful tool: affirmations. Just a few words, repeated often, helped me manifest everything I desired. When I felt discouraged, I repeated my affirmation. When I got impatient or focused too much on the physical world, I turned to this affirmation. Some may think I'm crazy for repeating it for hours at a time, but it worked for me. But don't worry, I don't expect the same from you. My goal is to make the process as easy as possible. So, let me share with you my affirmation and a simple way to incorporate it into your daily routine. Here it is. Everything is happening for my highest good, and all that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. Just repeating this affirmation can make a world of difference in your manifestation journey. I opt to have faith and yield to this sacred journey. Allow me to recite it once more. Everything is happening for my highest good, and all that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process. Empower yourself with this life-changing declaration by incorporating it into your daily routine. Write it down somewhere accessible, like a notebook, or save it as a reminder on your phone. This simple phrase can work wonders, especially when it comes to manifestation. Use it to realign your thoughts and beliefs when your manifestation progress seems stagnant. And for those times when you see some of your desires come to fruition, but others fall short, trust in this affirmation to bring balance and harmony to your manifestation journey. I encourage you to use this affirmation as a daily ritual, whether it's in the morning, evening, or whenever you feel like you need it. Say it out loud, whisper it, or simply think it to yourself. Make sure to truly believe in these words as you repeat them, and allow yourself to surrender to the process. The key is to consistently repeat this affirmation and make it a part of your daily routine. With time, you'll notice a shift in your thoughts, beliefs, and energy, and eventually, you'll start manifesting your desires faster and with greater ease. So go ahead, Make this affirmation your own and trust in the power of repetition and belief. Unlock the power of manifestation with this simple yet effective affirmation. By repeatedly declaring, "Everything is happening for my highest good and all that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine," you'll train your mind to believe in your desires and attract them into your reality. But repetition is crucial to seeing results. To maximize the impact, try speaking the affirmation out loud for at least 5 minutes each day. Use a timer on your phone to keep yourself on track and fully engage your hearing and speaking abilities to increase your focus. The time of day doesn't matter, but make sure to give this powerful affirmation the attention it deserves with a daily 5-minute repetition. Elevate your manifestation journey to new heights by subscribing to this channel and access the most inspiring Neville Goddard content on the internet. Click on the video now to get started.